Having a fireplace screen is not a luxury, but rather a necessity and an important part of your fireplace tools. When you're operating your fireplace, you put this fireplace um, mesh right there, and any spark or any ember that pops out of wood that might have moisture in it, it's going to remain within the fireplace and not catch fire on your rug or any fabric that you have around your fireplace. So that's why it's so important to have one. This one, we use it um, all the time because we have kids, but also because we use the fireplace a lot. It's well worn. It has a rustic look to it. It's sturdy, really well made. I mean, I wish you could touch it. And it's important because we also have kids, and they get curious about the fireplace, and this keeps them out.